Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my friend Ashley and I will be giving her some Peekaboo Softlocs. So what you'll see me do is I am going to start off by sectioning out her hair. She has fine hair, so what I'm going to do to make these stay, I am going to braid these down and I'm going to put rubber bands at the end. Since her hair is so short in the back, I'm just going to start off by putting rubber bands on it first due to I don't want any slippage or anything to come out her hair. So that is what you're going to see me do in this section. So y'all just continue watching and I will come back and talk to you on the next process of what I'm going to do after I put these rubber bands on each part that I section off. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. So now what you'll see me do is I am going to start off by taking that first soft lock and I am going to crochet through her root and I am going to pull the end through the hoop of the crochet loop, and then that is what I'm going to do to each section. And then next you'll see me wrap it. So I'm going to take some, I think I use the free tress Afro twist hair, and it's the water popping twist. I believe that was the particular brand that I used, and I'm going to separate the hair, probably use like a strand and a half, and I am going to crochet that through her root as well and wrap it so that way she has leverage, that way it won't have any slippage or anything, and it's going to stay and she can pull it up, do whatever she wants with it. So yeah, y'all just continue watching. Pretty much I'm going to do the same thing throughout her whole hair, and once I get to the top, since it's a little longer, y'all going to see me do it a little different with the rubber band method. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned for the end results.
I said we downtown, whipping on the way to you. You got something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all. Despite the things you said to me. Who is this that's got you all gassed up? Changing your opinion on me. I was only gone for the last few months, but you don't have the time to wait on me.
Walk up to the camera, back up a little bit, just a little bit. All right, turn around. Yes, open it up, see the peekaboo, pick it up in the back so they can see the peekaboo. Even like all of it. There you go, y'all see that peekaboo? That's what I'm talking about. All right, turn it back, push it back. And how long did this hairstyle take?
6 hours.
6 hours?
Yeah.
And this is your first time having locks. How do you feel about it?
I love it. I was nervous about it because, you know, I ain't never done it before, but I freaking love it. And I thank you so much.
No problem. Who did your hair?
Deanna.
And what's your IG so people can follow you?
My IG is, my personal one is Short Snort 3, SHORTSNORT 3, and then my business account is Mary Moon Cosmetology _.
Right, and she does the locks, the retwists, the braids, the nails.
Everything.
She does it all.
Yes.
So yes, let's give it one more twirl for me. And yes, you guys, these are Softlocs.
It is.
Yeah, Peekaboo Softlocs on my homegirl Ashley. If you like, comment, and subscribe below. And I'm pretty sure she's gonna send me some more pics, so I will definitely add this in the video. So love y'all trendsetters. I will talk to y'all soon. See ya.
Thank you.